Oh my god.
A superscript A Kit and Kate, nursery rhyme negation.
How dare you use the kids cheering sound effects on your nursery rhymes videos?
You know, the kids cheering sound effects is racist, and hurts people's brains.
You know, you are starting to become a Jeff Mara wannabe, and others wannabe, and a Wonder World TV wannabe.
I have a surprise. ITS, this.
You just won't sit in. You are going to lose subscribe.
There's one more.
This is what you get for using the kids cheering sound effect.
End of call out.